We just completed Logic of English Foundations A, and I kind of want to show you guys how I plan on reviewing everything in these last 2 weeks of school. The one thing that I wish we had more of with this curriculum, that extra tracing handwriting practice. What I did with my scanner and Canva, I decided to kind of like create my own. What we were doing before was I was just getting these and kind of like just slipping it in here, and he was like tracing it and then erasing it, but it was like one at a time, and I felt like he wanted to just keep going, which is why I went from just having this in here to just taking the time to create this whole sheet for him. Another way that I'm reviewing our lowercase letters is pretty much with this book is Doodles Help Handwriting, but for lowercase letters. I like the fact that some of these strokes actually look like the ones that we were learning, so I pulled this out. I also went ahead and got this, and pretty much this is like the primary journal. What I'm doing is I'm creating his own little pages up here based off of what we're supposed to be drawing for that letter. He's gonna go ahead and draw it over here, and once he's done, you know, writing the letter and drawing a picture that goes with that letter, we're gonna go ahead and review our sounds. He's gonna trace it, and then he's gonna fill everything in. All this is actually color coordinated with the book that we got from Logic of English, the blue, orange, and green, and the sounds, and I went ahead and copied everything. That way he can go ahead and fill it in and then write the little dash or the little curve to tell me if it's like a long or short A. So that's kind of what I'm doing to just review everything and make it a little more fun.